Hi there, welcome to One Code Camp. This is Justin, and in this Java programming tutorial series, we'll walk you through everything, from Java basics to advanced concepts, so you can become a proficient Java developer. In today's video, we're going to have an introduction to Java and set up everything you need in order to build your first Java program using Visual Studio Code. Let's get started.
So what exactly is Java? Java is one of the most popular programming languages used for building everything, from web applications to mobile apps and enterprise software. One of its greatest strengths is its platform independence. You write your code once and it can run on any system with a Java virtual machine. Java is widely used in fields like web development, Android apps, and even big data processing. It's fast, secure, and reliable, making it the top choice for developers. Some of the most notable programs made with Java include Android OS, Minecraft, and Spotify. To start coding in Java, first thing that we need is the Java Development Kit, JDK. This will allow us to write and run Java programs. Open your web browser and search for JDK download. The official Oracle website would be the first result. Once there, download the JDK version for your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'll download the Windows version. If you're on a Mac or Linux, grab the appropriate installer for your platform. Once the download finishes, run the installer. Make sure to follow the instructions and check the box to add Java to your system path during the setup. This is crucial for running Java from your terminal or your command line. This is the installation wizard for Java SE Development Kit 3. Click Next, Next, and just wait for the JDK to be installed on your command or your PC. With the JDK installed, we're now ready to install our IDE. Next, set up VS Code. VS Code is a lightweight and powerful code editor that supports Java development. If you haven't installed it yet, let's go through the process. Head over to VS Code website and download the installer for your operating system. Once downloaded, install it like any other program. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Just click Next and install, and wait for VS Code to be installed on your local machine. VS Code is great because it's highly customizable. It has extensions that supports programming languages including Java. After installing it, be sure to click Launch Visual Studio Code, click Finish. Now, we're ready to add the Java support to VS Code, installing a few extensions. Once your VS Code is open, go to Extensions tab on the left of the sidebar. Search for Java extension. You want to install this pack, which includes all of the tools that you need for Java development, such as language support for Java, debugger, Java test runner, Maven for Java, as well as Java dependency viewer. Once these are installed, you're ready to start writing Java code with VS Code. Now that we've set up everything, let's dive into writing your first Java program. Classic Hello World example. VS Code, open or create a new folder for your Java project. To do so, click File, Open Folder. In my case, I'll create a new folder in my desktop. Create new folder. Let me name this Java Projects. Then select this folder. zoom in my screen a bit by clicking Control plus equal sign. Alright. So inside the folder, let's add the main.java file. To do so, let's click the file icon and type in main Java. So main is the name of our program, and the .java is an extension. It states we have Java program. Enter. Inside our main Java, our workspace, this is where we can type in Java codes. Our goal is to print hello world in our terminal. To do so, let's first create a class. To create a class, let's type public. A class, name this main. Don't worry about keywords at this stage. We'll get to learn more about these keywords as we go on in our Java series. Inside our class, let's create a main method. To do so, just type in public that void main. And then this will have an argument of string and then args. And then type in opening and closing curly braces. So this main method will serve as the entry point for any Java program. When we run the program, inside this method will run. This is where we're gonna type our line or print the line hello world in our terminal. In the line, let's add code system out print line. Inside this parenthesis, let's add in a double and type hello, comma. And don't forget to end all of your statements inside your Java program with a semicolon. Again, when we run the program, system.out.println will print line hello world in our terminal. Now, let's run our program to see the output. To run the program, you can click Ctrl-Shift-P to open the command palette and type run Java. Or you can simply click the run code button here, top right of your Visual Studio Code. When you click this, terminal will pop up and you will see the output here, which is hello world. Our program is not limited to printing hello world. You can change this with any sentence you want. For example, let's type in welcome one code camp, like so. When we run this program, it will be displayed in our terminal. Here, welcome to one code camp. So, congratulations! You just written and executed your first Java program using Visual Studio Code. In today's video, we learned what Java is. We installed JDK or Java Development Kit and set up Visual Studio Code. We wrote our first program, the Hello World program, and the next video, dive deeper into the basics of Java, variables, the types, more. So make sure to subscribe to One Code Camp and hit notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Java tutorials. Happy coding!